Senator Bayo Osinowo. I represent Lagos East Senatorial District, and on behalf of my family and the Senatorial District, and of course, we are here. Today is not a sad day, as some people mentioned, but rather it's a day to thank God. Because God did not sign any agreement with anybody when He created us. He just created us without notice. So He will take us away without notice because He did not sign any agreement with us. But I want to tell you, my dear colleagues, you must continue to thank God. This is their first birthday, 1 year birthday. Many never witnessed 10 years. Which of the blessings of your Lord are we going to deny? Never witnessed their first birthday, 1 year birthday. Many never witnessed 10 years. Which of the blessings of your Lord are we going to deny?
Our brother, can I say an intruder? Even though a member, welcome to being part of us, to our staff. Thank you to the Deputy Speaker. Members of the press, I want to say a very warm good afternoon. Leader, sometimes past we are here in your house when we are set the ball rolling for our campaigns, seek for your assistance, which you graciously give us. And by the grace of God, we emerge through the various contributions. Today, here again in your house to commiserate with you over what happened in the last event, the incarceration. And as a politician, I want you to take it as one of those things. First, congratulate you, and that you should put everything before God and believe it is part of our destiny. My leader, Late Solomon La, told me not to fear as a politician to go to prison. And he called it that. Going to prison is a badge of honor. There's no good politician. If you're a good politician, you should be willing to test, because we come to you in very, very, very different dimensions. That happened to us when we sometimes past, we were being chased and then humiliated. And he asked us to be resolute and face the issues as they are. And that he reminded us when he was jailed 90-something years, for about 100-something years. And that today we are meeting in his house as our leader. There is always judgment that could be passed, according to him. He said that judgment by people, judgment by God, and judgment by they are from Kalu. You should remind him. Thank you. So, our leader wants you to appreciate what God has done to you. Use it for the positive development of our country, judicial system. Use it in the interest of humanity. I saw your comments, and we also your comments. They are very encouraging, because he said it's going to be part of the thing they are going to pursue, the reform of the judicial and justice system in Nigeria. May God help us.
Because the words are very simple. What I have known today, I never knew the day before yesterday. I would look very, very ungrateful if I do not use this opportunity to thank my brothers, my sisters, all of you here that came to the prison to see me. And it wasn't a very good time for visits. But most of you took that visit. And I also want to assure you that for me, this 6 months, few months there have given me a lot of encouragement about the unity of the country. So I believe when you go inside there, You do not know who is Igbo, you do not know who is Hausa, you do not know who is Yoruba. Everybody inside they are one family. And I want to encourage that it's not a time for speech making. It's a time for prayers where our country needs a lot of prayers and a lot of forgiveness. Politicians have to find time to forgive each other so that the masses can get benefit of their democratic gains. I want to thank you most sincerely for this honor. Myself and members of my family are very happy that you people are visiting. I also want to thank the people accompanying the journalists like this, and much to say that this love, this is an exceptional love. Because you could have said, no, what are we going there to do? We'll see him in the National Assembly tomorrow. But you have graciously led this delegation to come. I want this friendship to also continue, that we are there for one another and we are there for our people. Because our people need us more. We should support our people so that our people will know we represent them. Thank you for coming, and God bless you.